For the next 4 weeks, we're going to be looking into ecology as a whole. For this week, we're going to be studying the ecosystems and how everything is connected. So I'll tell you a little bit about a story that I read once about a gypsy moth. You see, scientists wanted to increase the population of this gypsy moth. In order to do so, they had to actually remove one of the predators of the gypsy moth, which is your everyday common mouse. So the scientists removed the mice from the area, and lo and behold, in a few weeks, they noticed that the gypsy moth population increased. So now, the scientists wanted to increase the population again. So what they did was, instead of introducing the mice, they found acorns were what attracted the mice to the area. So they laid out acorns, brought in the mice. The mice ate the gypsy moth. The problem was that with the mice, something very bad came. Ticks. Ticks are a natural carrier of Lyme disease. One bite to a human means almost certain death. So you see, students, everything is connected. An acorn can mean certain death. For this week, we're going to be studying the ecosystems and how everything is connected. So let's take a look at the ecosystem are all of the living things together, like this oak forest or this coral reef. All of these ecosystems are made up of two different compounds, biotic or abiotic. So now that we know about the ecosystem, let's break them down and see the specific biomes. As you can see, it starts off in this pyramid from hot and wet to cold and dry. Our first biome are the forests. These include the tropical rainforests, temperate forests, and taiga. Next are our grasslands, deserts, and tundra. These include our savannas, deserts, and something that might be familiar to you, chaparrals. We finish off with our wet ecosystems. The first one, our freshwater ecosystem. These include our lakes, ponds, rivers, marshes, and swamps. Rounding off the top are our marine ecosystems. These include our coastal wetlands, estuaries, mangrove swamps. The underwater areas include our coral reefs. We identified one more ecosystem, but it doesn't really have enough substance to support life, our Arctic and Antarctic ecosystem. As you can see, the next 4 weeks are going to be a big part of learning ecology. But for the next week, ecosystems are the big thing that you got to look forward to.